Motu and Patlu want to learn and play. Brush your teeth and wear your shoes. School is calling, no time to snooze. Mom says beta, ciao zara. Patlu runs and shouts school agaya. Motu hugs his big lunchbox. In his bag are books and chalks. The yellow bus goes beep, beep, beep. Time to go, no time to sleep. Wave goodbye and take your seat. Let's make today super sweet. Good morning, teacher. Here we go. Let's learn ABC and 1, 2, 0. Draw with crayons, play and sing. Learning is a happy thing. School bell rings, it's time to run. Motu says, that was so much fun. Mom is waiting with a hug so tight. She says, you did your best. That's right. Time for lunch. Yum, yum, yum. Roti sabzi and a glass of fun. Motu eats fast, Patlu says slow. Let's enjoy the food before we go. Tuition time, let's not be late. Math and puzzles, isn't that great? Learning never ends, it's true. Every day there's something new. Now the sun is going down. Motu and Patlu take off their crown. Back to Ma with tales to share. A school day full of love and care. Eat, learn, laugh, repeat.